Hi guys, this is Mira and I'm going to be trying to explain E7-36 over overhead variances. Um, Please forgive me if this is wrong. I tried. So yeah, here we go. So the problem says that the manager of the Texas Department of Transportation was determined that it usually takes about 30 minutes for the department's employees to register a new car. The predetermined fixed overhead rate was computed on 10,000 direct labor hours per month and $9 per direct labor hour, whereas the variable overhead rate is $3 per direct labor hour. And in July, 18,800 cars were registered and 9,500 direct labor hours were used. And the variable overhead was a total of 27,700, while as the fixed overhead was 90,800. So I'm kind of just gonna walk you guys through. I already did a couple numbers to kind of speed up the video almost, but I'll kind of explain my way of thinking, and if it's wrong, again, please bear with me. So I pulled the thing from the PowerPoint, kind of just like to kind of track us. So our actual variable overhead was given in the problem of the 27,700. And then, so next, our variable overhead rate multiplied by our actual quantity. So I did the $3 that was given from the problem multiplied by the 9,500 direct labor hours. And I was able to get 28,500. And for our applied variable overhead over here, our variable overhead rate multiplied by our standard quantity, I believe that's what it is. So multiplied by our $3 multiplied by our 10,000 that's above, and I was able to get 30,000. So now I'm going to be calculating our unfavorable, favorable, our spinning variance, our efficiency, and etc. So right here, so we're going to be multiplying our 27,700 subtracted by our 28,500. So if I do it in the calculator right here, give me 1 second, 28,500, 0. Okay, so that gives us 800. I'll place that right here. Boop, bear with me. This is and since I believe this is going to be favorable because we actually use a little less than what we were expecting. So that is our F. And then for next, our efficiency variance, we're going to be subtracting the 28,500 multiplied by 30,000. And that gives us $1,500. Okay, and then so our 1,500 is going to be favorable since, again, we use a little bit less than our applied. So we're going to put favorable here. And then for our total, we're going to be adding our sums up. And that is going to be a total of $2,300. And we're just going to repeat the same process for our fixed overhead. So again, our actual fixed overhead was given at the 90,800, and I pretty much did the same thing, the $9 rate multiplied by our 9,500, which gave me 85,500. And for our applied fixed overhead, I did the $9 multiplied by our 10,000 direct labor hours, and that gave me 9,000. And now to just calculate them, so we're going to be subtracting 90,800 subtracted from the 85,500, and that gives us 5,300. And since our actual is a little bit more than our budgeted, we're gonna put that as unfavorable. Oop. And then on this side, we're gonna be subtracting our 85 subtracted from our 90,000. 85,500. And so that's gonna give us the 4,500. And then this is actually going to be favorable since we use a little less than our applied. So good for them. And so for our total now, we are going to be subtracting our 5,300 from our favorable. And that gives us, so then that gives us a total of $800. Oop, sorry guys, that was ugly. $800. Okay, so I believe that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was right. I hope this helps. Yeah.